Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, and today I'm going to show you, I've done this video or this product on many other vehicles, but we haven't done it on a Ram. So come on over here, what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about one of my favorite products. As you can see, I'm wearing my Roll and Lock hat today, and what we have here is the Roll and Lock E-Series. Basically, the E-Series is the electric model. It's, come over here, John, let's take a good look on here. As you can see, we're in Florida, and guess what? It rains sometimes. It's hard to believe, but you know, I figure a little rain on the cover will not hurt this. So we're going to still do the video even with the rain everywhere. So what I like about this, the E-Series, is an electric cover. So I just push it one time. If you notice, I am not holding the button. I've already pushed it, and the rest just does its thing here. Now, one thing you notice, I got the microphone very close to me, and I'm going to put it close to the cover. If you notice, it's very, very quiet. It's extremely quiet. I love all the covers go about the same speed, but some have a little bit more noise than others. The Roll and Lock E-Series is probably one of the more quiet of the models here, and I really like this. Now, they do have an LED light, and I'm going to move the cargo manager, which, by the way, is a great accessory for this. And it only works with the Roll and Locks. Basically, you take these little guys here, and a little sticky here. There you go. Sorry about that. Brand new, needs to be broken in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and now you got the LED light here in the middle. You can see that, and it's nice. It's centered. It does light up very nice at night. And of course, you know, let's go ahead and close it up here. Now, again, it's a very smooth, very easy operating system here. I like it. It looks good. It functions good, and it's pretty darn cool. I do have one of these on order for myself. I should be getting mine very soon, so I'm looking forward to it. I do have a terrific cover on my truck now, which I've done videos before. Now, when I bought my truck back in 2013, there wasn't a lot of electric covers available at the time, so I did not get an electric cover. But as you can see, in the last year or two, I'm becoming Mr. King of the electric covers. I've not gone out of my way for it, but we seem to be selling a lot of this stuff. I got 3 of these signed up for this week, which I've probably done more electric covers in 2021 than I've done the last decade I've done. I mean, I'm doing these like left and right. One nice thing about doing them as much as us is you're getting darn good at it. So now another thing, I'm closing this because I want you to see this seal here. Take a really good look. This has a very good seal. I like that a lot. So now, speaking of seals and water and all that stuff, this is not a waterproof cover. The term waterproof applies to things like submarines where you can go underwater. I hear the terminology all the time, is this waterproof? And I said, no, they're water resistant. All the covers are water resistant. None of them are waterproof. Now, they do a good job of keeping the water out, but you know, if you get really bad storms, you might see a little water in there, so keep that in mind. If you're thinking about putting your very important documents in the back of your bed, and you're going to go through a couple car washes, hey, guess what? That might not be the best thing to do, so keep that in mind. All in all, a great product. Comes with a 3-year manufacturer warranty. We're going to be doubling his warranty today. Now, I'm going to go over this. That's a promotion going on at this moment in time. So if you're watching this video a year from now, and you say, hey, what happened to double the warranty you talk about in the video? That was the day I did that video. So luckily for this guest, he's getting a 6-year warranty instead of a 3, because we installed it for him, and we're an authorized Roll and Lock dealer. So we're, you know, authorized to do this, and we're authorized to do the double the warranty. So a great little setup. I love this product. If you say, you know what, Chris, I've seen your Ford F-150s with this, and I've seen some of your other models. Now I've seen your Ram with this, and I love this cover. I want this cover. How do I get this cover? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, you can ask for John is on the camera right now, so you can call the store and say, hey, John, can you get me this cover? He can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can be like this gentleman, come into our store and just buy it from us. We'll be happy that way. So you can either call us, go to the website, or come to the store. By the way, the phone number to the store is on the bottom here. Do not use the one that was on my box truck. That's the cell phone to that particular box truck. So it's not for the store. And if you have questions, it's best to call us or come in here. We'll make sure we get you the right one and stuff. Plus, it's nice to call us anyways because there is shortages on anything electric. As you know, there's a microchip shortage going on right now. Hopefully that will not last forever. This one we got in pretty fast. We got this in a week. So that wasn't outrageous. Sometimes you might be waiting 2 or 3 weeks or longer for anything that's electronic. So keep that in mind. Again, subscribe to the channel. stay up to date with these really cool products. And hit like. That's where I go, like. I like it a lot. And it really helps us, and YouTube appreciates that as well. And it moves us up there so you can see more of these videos. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, doing a review on the Roll and Lock E-Series electric with a remote power cover on a Ram 1500 Rebel. Thank you.